Hey guys, for this video pretty much I don't have like a plan, I don't have any pre-written like anything. I just got back from lunch with one of my friends who's got like a really big Instagram following, and he's been able to make a ton of money off pretty much just posting 1 to 2 posts every single day. And when I say a ton of money, like he's just about to buy his second house. He does tons and tons of traveling. Like he wears designer brands, and like he's just having a really good time, and he's also really young. So I pretty much thought that I'd just drop a video just showing you guys how these people with big followings are making a ton of money. And when I say big followings, I don't mean that you need to have 1 million followers or like become the next Kylie Jenner. Literally anything from 10,000 to 20, 50, 30, and obviously a lot bigger can make you tons and tons of money. And if you think about it, getting your first 10,000 followers is really not that difficult. You can literally just YouTube it, Google it, find methods and stuff that will get you there. But yeah, so pretty much I want to just go into it. The first thing that I think a lot of people don't understand is brand deals. So when they're called influencers, when someone on Instagram with a ton of followers posts like a cool new picture of like a new shirt, or like this phone, or where's my other phone? This phone. Pretty much brands are paying them to promote that, and very often you'll find that brands actually give them the product for free and then still pay them. So they're getting free products, whether that's like a free travel or a free plane ticket, free phone. So they get that, plus they get paid to promote it. So that's a little bit obvious. The second thing that is in my experience with kind of the people in the space that I know where they all make all their money is affiliate links. So what this is let's say, I'm going to be sponsored by Apple, but let's say that I am sponsored by Apple, right? And they give me this phone, and you go to www.apple.com/Courtne. It's going to take you to this phone, normal product page like everyone else, but because you put that /Courtne in, and a lot of people don't even realize that you're doing this, Apple knows that the sale of the phone came from me. So I may get 20%. So let's say that the phone sells for $100, I'll get $20, literally just because the link that you clicked to buy the phone came from me. And that's happening time and time again, whether it's like ambassadors for certain clothing brands, for phones, for anything. Like if you watch those YouTube videos where it's like the top 10 cameras or the top 10 phones, and then at the bottom there's like links and stuff to buy, all those links are affiliate. So that's really big. And then the third thing, which has kind of become really evident, is personal brand building, which is building a following and building an audience which you can then sell to. So that is coming up with a new training program, a new course. Literally, like if you're really talented photographer or designer, etc., you could sell photos, or you could sell filters, presets. I don't know, whatever your passion is. If you're a gamer, you could sell like, I don't know, what could a gamer sell? If a gamer's doing live Twitch streams, you could literally sell access to exclusive Twitch streams where there'll be you and like 10 other people playing, and like you can communicate and participate in the game. That would do really well. So those are just three basic ways. If you do some more Googling and a little bit more digging into it, I'm sure you'll find tons and tons of other ways, because there are a lot of ways to make money on social media. But yeah, I didn't want to make this video too long. I just want to get straight to the point. And yeah guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.